and we are filled with joy. Indeed, we gather with grateful hearts.
Noon sa school, dito po sa building ng BAA, ay maririnig niyo po yung squeaking sound. Dahil medyo
You have to be proud of what you have. Tama ba, Liza?
So sabi niya dito, number 1 is consistency. Number 2, honesty. Number 3, integrity. Ano pa? Boundaries and respect. Transparency.
Na mentor yan ni Pastor Franco. And magkakaiba ng style yung ating mga naging mga chaplains, no? Ngayon ay
promise offerings, let's do it with a joyful and grateful heart. Jesus is our protector and our provider. When walking in Christ and with Christ's Spirit in us, we have nothing to fear for our
rooted and built up in Him and established in faith as you have been taught, abounding in it with thanksgiving.
And nervousness. I still feel that I'm not supposed to be here. But anyways, just to dispense the nervousness that I have now. Houses were torn apart, roofs were gone, electric posts tumba. But one thing stands out. Trees are still upright. Their leaves are gone, stripped of their leaves, branches broken, but still standing. You are constantly evaluated, isn't it? How are you being evaluated? Through your, I am introduced to other people and they say I'm a department head. Even after several years, I think more than 5 years already, it is because of God's grace. The world, that's why while I was thinking about this presentation or this sharing with you, inisip ko how many times we have had our day. But remember, your roots are growing. Dear alumni, some of us may have survived storms because of seeds planted here. Never underestimate what God did in your youth.
Serve to each other. Eman Stories.